Welcome, here I've got Sony Xperia 5 III and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now, as you can see in right corner, we are on basic camera mode, so let's stay on it and tap simply to menu. Here we get access to camera settings. Now we have to focus on photo category. At the last place here in this one we have QR code reader option. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. I of course suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside the camera, and you don't need any other app to do it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.